Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we will learn water coloring. For that, few material is required. Your color palette I'm using here. These are water cake colors, round brushes, one mixing tray, one old rag, a water container and fill some water in it. Okay, so let's start. Today we will paint a mango in watercolor. See, watercolors are very transparent colors. Uh, to paint anything before coloring, you need to make very light drawing. Okay, and in watercolors, always go light to dark. Means first you will apply a light tone, then medium tone, then dark tone. Okay, so let's start. First you will apply some water on it like this. Don't take too much water. And your brush should be in good position. Look at here. So we will apply our light tone. For light tone I am using this lemon yellow color. I will mix it with this uh, cadmium yellow, you can say gambit hue. This is our light tone. Look at here. This is our light tone. Smoothly you have to color it. And make sure patches should not be there, color patches. Okay, this is our light tone. Very smoothly. Okay, then apply some water over here also. Then after we will try our second tone, that is for that we will mix this gambit hue yellow color with this is orange color. This is our middle tone. Fine. This is very interesting topic. See, I am doing wet on wet. If you people are not able to do this technique, then after first tone, like after your light tone, let it dry, then apply second tone. Fine. Now I'm going to add orange. Mix it with this scarlet color. Little bit you need. Then apply this color on the edges. Like this. Fine. Looks nice. Add a little bit yellow over here. On the edges you need to apply remember these three tones, light, medium and dark, gives volume and depth to your painting. Look at here. I'm adding little bit green color here, little bit green. To give three-dimensional effect to your object or subject, you need to learn how to make proper tones. Now let it dry. And now I'm going to make leaf. For light tone of the leaf, I will take this lemon and I will mix this one with sap green color. This is the light tone of our leaf, not our leaf, mango leaf. Then for middle tone, I will add sap green with this gamboge hue. Look at here. For dark tone, I will add this cerulean blue with sap green. This is for dark tone. So you can feel the difference. See, this is very easy, but you need practice. Practice, 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 because practice makes man perfect. Okay. For detailing, I will use little bit brown. This is burnt umber. I will add this color with green, sap green. Hope you liked the video. Bye bye.